Hi, my name is Mark Heslop. I've been teaching in Manchester for the past 13 years, and today we're going to be having a quick look at some of the table functions in the new fx-83 and 85GTX calculators. So we access these by the new menu key, and what we can do is we can either scroll across and press equals, or we can just press 3 on the main calculator display. So we've got f of x here. We're going to enter in a function, so we need the x key, which is a red letter, so we'll go alpha x, and we'll have x squared plus alpha x. Now we get the option to put in a second function, which might be useful if you're doing transformations of functions, but we can ignore that and we can just press equals, and we've got the option to have a start value, an end value, and a step. And we'll change the step down to 0.2 and press equals, and here we have the values of x and the f of x on the display. Now just looking at that on the old version of the calculator, we'll press equals. So we've got start value of 1 again, the end value of 5, and we'll change the step to 0.2. Now you can see straight away with the new 4 times higher resolution that we've actually got a lot more information on the display. And on the old version of the calculator, once I've scrolled down and had a look at my values, there was nothing else I could do. I couldn't change any of the values. But on the new one, if I come down to the end of the sequence that we've got here, what we can do is if we want to maybe look at increasing the sequence, we can actually just press the equals button. So now it's substituting 5.2, 5.4, 5.6. If we want to decrease the sequence, we can press the minus button and it will start to decrease it by 0.2, or increase it again, we can just use the plus key. If I want to look at substituting in numbers from outside the sequence, I can just actually type that in. So let's substitute 24. And there we go, there's the substitution of 24. Maybe I want to substitute in a negative number, so we use the negative button here, so minus 9. And there we go, 72 is the f of x. So it's a lot easier to use, and it's a lot more flexible and a lot more helpful for getting your students to calculate values for putting on graphs. If you want to have a look at some more resources, they're available on education.casio.co.uk.